The camera rolling, shall we? Let's see if I can pull this down, see how hard, how difficult this one's going to be. I think it might have just the clips on the end. Sure enough, there's just one little clip here, here, and on both sides. So you just kind of, see, this has a little bit of a slop left and right. I'm just going to push it over that way a little bit, take this with my fingers and bend it, and it's off. Do the same thing here, and it's off. Lift it up over, and it's down. These are nice and quick and easy to do. Let's see if this one's wobbly. Yeah, this one's a little wobbly too. I wish it, when electricians installed light fixtures like this, they would make them a little bit sturdier. I don't know why they don't do that. They could put some plastic anchors or the screw-in anchors, you know, the drivers, and just put a couple extra screws in there. They have to pre-drill some more holes and take this off when they're installing it, but nice and simple and easy to do that. That's one of my pet peeves too, getting those covers or getting fluorescent light fixtures installed nice and tight to the ceiling. Let's see here. Light lenses, light covers, they look pretty clean, don't they? And so I probably won't have to wipe them. I might take a rag and wipe them out a little bit since I have them down. I'm storing everything in this room because the painter's going to paint the other stuff. Then when they get done with all those closets and stuff, I have to take all this stuff and slide it into the other. So, you know, a little bit of coordinating with the painters is fine by me. And I could have taken those covers out later when they get ready to paint up in here. But see, now it's so much easier. You're not going to get any paint on those covers. You know, if you get paint on there, it's kind of a pain to clean. And now you can cut in nice and easy around there with their paint brushes, and they don't have to worry about tagging the side of these covers. You don't know how many times I've seen a cover. I've seen a cover like this with paint on the edge of it, you know, or some paint droppings on the top of this or whatever. You know, keep things clean, do the best you can, get the right ladder for you, and get up there and get things ready for painting.